Hey guys, it's AppleTechPro here, bringing you guys another awesome video on an app review. Haven't done this on my channel yet, but yeah, we're gonna be reviewing RadarScope. If you guys know what RadarScope is, it is a radar app to track, real-time radar data for weather. So the first thing you want to do is not a city app, tweak, whatever. It's just a simple app from the App Store. It costs $10 in the App Store. It's well worth it, guys. The reviews are 4.5 stars, so it is really good. It's the best radar in the I believe it's the best radar on a mobile device. I think it is. I'm not lying, it is. I'll show you guys why. So as you guys install the app, just click on it, and it'll show you guys. You might zoom into your location, but I zoomed it out of my location just because. Why not? To show you guys the whole entire eastern side of the Mississippi River. So if you guys just zoom in on a location, click on that little radar beam. If you just click on that, it'll show you what the radar station that you have selected, and you guys can see this is the digital storm accumulation. So this is how much rain has fallen, and you guys can look at the legend at the bottom, see how much rain has happened. So if you click on super res for reflectivity, it'll pretty much just show you the radar, and it is really awesome because one time it was snowing, and one time it was supposed to snow, and I looked at a ton of radars. It said it was snowing. It wasn't really snowing, but this app actually tells you that this is like ground report kind of snow. So if there's blue on the map and it hits you, it's gonna start seeing some snowflakes. So it's pretty cool. Precipitation depiction, see if it's ice, snow, rain. Right now it's rain because it's summer. So if you scroll on the super res velocity, you can see the winds in the storm. There's a ton of stuff. There's also the warning boxes from from the National Weather Service in that radar in that location. So if you click on the right side, I'll show you guys all the warnings that have been issued by all of them: flash flood, severe thunderstorm, and tornado. So if you go on that to the left side, you'll see your drawing tool. That's pretty cool. I make like a really bad smiley face, which is really weird. But yeah, so there's also a beam which can measure how far a storm away, how far a storm's away from you. You have of course, your share button. Now I was kind of really hard to like press the button because I usually do voiceovers instead of do real time because I usually have better audio, not doing stuff and talking at the same time. So also you have a ton of other stuff. You got rainfall products. I really don't use those. I use the digital storm accumulation one. Here's the one that you can track if it's gonna hail, heavy rain, all that stuff, really heavy snow, enhanced echo top. See how tall a storm is? I know this stuff, guys, because I am a weather geek, and I'm talking really fast because I know my stuff about this. Correlation coefficient. See if there's actually a tornado on the ground. You guys might know that. If you don't, then it really just detects stuff in the radar. So if there's debris on the radar, it'll show up as a blue icon if it matches up with the reflectivity, the velocity. See if it's actually rotation in that. So if the red and greens touch, that means that there is rotation, a tight one, if they have to overlap each other. So yeah, so you can have your layers, you have your settings, you have your radar data. I usually use WDT, but you guys can use NOAA, but I usually use that because you can get the super reflectivity one from there. You have your Allison House. I didn't really click on it, but Allison House, you can have SPC outlooks on there, which is really cool, but I haven't purchased an account yet. Wow, my battery is like at 1% now, probably. It was 3% when I started doing a voiceover, so hopefully it does not die on me. But here's expert mode. If you turn that thing on, it'll show you guys. It'll actually show you a little more in-depth kind of stuff. Advanced. There's show this stuff. Really, that's it. If you go to the Pro version, of course, we went to the layers. Lightning data is in Pro, and Pro is really that. It's really it, guys. Pro lets you see lightning data, and it has level 3 radar data. But yeah, guys, peace out, y'all.